we're gonna start the painting process for our 1971 C10, aka Pegasus. So we're gonna be sanding, we're gonna be cutting and welding, and so much more, guys, because this truck needs a pretty big paint job. But that's not gonna, unmotivate me. If y'all remember a long time ago, we actually went ahead and painted our 1971 Super Beetle, and they came out super duper good, and that's because we did the correct steps. So I believe with the tips and tricks Mr. Miyagi, the painter, my friend, taught me when we painted the Beetle, I think I can actually go ahead and paint this truck myself. I'm actually gonna see if I can do it myself, guys, yes. But we're gonna strive for perfection here at Tuned Engines. And guys, to be honest, I'm still not 100% sure on the color. I already have an idea of the color I want, but I can always use more suggestions. Go ahead and comment down below some of your color ideas, guys. I'm open to suggestions. But first, guys, let's go to the parts store. It was a block of wood as a spacer. I started noticing where I was unable to sand this down and make it level. Oh no!
What do you think, Antonio?
Oh my god! Oh, so it's not gonna work? Oh, I'm a dummy? Although these sanders work, once you select the speed you want, you can't really control it on the fly, making leveling almost impossible. But with these palm sanders, with the lever on top, you can be on the highest setting where you're able to control the speed and make it slow down or speed up at your desire, guys. So now that we know how we messed up, we can go ahead and apply some primer to fix this in the future.
Tomorrow.
So all that was left to do was get my old palm sander from the shelf. And after some finessing, I was able to get it to work again. Yeah, let's go. Guys, and this is how it's coming out right now. We're like about 70% done with the hood, but even though it might not look like it, this is actually level. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with some Rust-Oleum reformer so it doesn't become rust. But yeah, guys, look how freaking dusty this thing is. That's what's really important, that you wear your face mask so you don't get all this, freaking debris inside your lungs. Because trust me, guys, that's gonna kill you quicker. And everything was working fine. The only bad thing is that this compressor was super loud. I couldn't even hear my own thoughts.
Day 2.
What's up, guys? So it's the second day. Oh, this is gonna be a long process. But remember, guys, we're here for the main goal. A super duper cool painted classic truck. We've actually went ahead and almost finished the hood. We just have to do the sides now. So how many about this? So I'm excited to try it. It's supposed to be the same as this one.
Same.
But it's just gonna be electric now. And it's a little bit bigger as well. Alright guys, now that we're almost done with the door, we just have to do the door handle. I'm probably gonna remove it here in a little bit. And then we just have to do this right here. But this is gonna be super fast and easy. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and start moving over here to the bed of the truck, so we can continue sanding down like the big major body panels. And guys, this thing is super duper cool. It's working the same as our air one, and I feel like I have a little bit more control over it. Alright guys, and just like that, we're done with this fender. Holy smokes, this fender took a little bit longer than the door, believe it or not. But it's done for now. I still have to go ahead and take off the fender so I can sand it down here again, and we're gonna prime it separate. So, but for now guys, let's go ahead and stop for tonight. Let me go ahead and get cleaned, and we'll continue this tomorrow.
Day 3.
Alright guys, so as y'all can see, we did a lot of progress for day 3. We went ahead and did the fender, the door, and some of the cab. All we have to do now is the bed, and also the fender, and then that's going to be pretty much it. We can start hitting up all the small details. Oh, and we can't forget about the roof. Yeah guys, so we'll go ahead and continue this tomorrow. Gosh darn, this is a lot of work, and it's taking a bunch of days. But hey, that's what we expected here at Tuned Engine's Garage.
Day 4.
Alright guys, so we're done sanding for today. I've been sanding for a long time, probably like 6 hours. Oh my god, look at my face. Gosh darn, I'm wearing a face mask too. What's up with that? But let me give you a quick rundown of what I went ahead and did today. So today I went ahead and finished up the sides right here as well. I did some of the pillars here. I did the roof, as y'all can see. Super duper cool. And also finished the back. I didn't have access here, but we'll do it once we remove the bed. I went ahead and did these right here a little bit more. Let's see what else. I did the front of the hood as well. I went ahead and also did this side here because we went ahead and missed some sanding here, so I went ahead and did all of this. We did the door. We did some of the A-pillar here. Oh, I forgot we did these too on the other side too. We still have to do the middle. We went ahead and did a little bit more here, some back here, and some back here. But I'm hoping that we can finish the big parts, like the big panels. And then we can start removing the wood from the bed and also the side fenders and stuff like that. So I'll see you all tomorrow. I'm gonna go take a shower, guys. Gosh darn. Alright guys, so it's the next day. As y'all can see, we went ahead and cleaned up the garage and went ahead and picked up all the dust. Because now guys, we're actually done with pretty much the whole sanding of the car. And now guys, I know what you're thinking, hey, why are there so many black lines on the truck? So there's actually black lines on the truck because we went ahead and sprayed some Rust-Oleum reformer. If y'all remember, we went ahead and had some bare spots. And in order to prevent the metal from getting rusty, we had to go ahead and spray it with either primer or rust reformer. Well, now that we have big panels done, we can start taking off panels and start sanding them separate so we can go ahead and get those tight spaces. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and take off the fenders and also the wood from the bed of the truck. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I had to go ahead and stop this project early just because I had to go pick up these extra parts that came in for the truck that weren't able to get delivered. I don't know when. But the good thing is that we went ahead and got them. Well guys, this is me for a later episode. Now that we have the fender off from the passenger side, we're gonna go ahead and move into the bed of the truck. We're gonna start removing all the wood. Just remember guys, we're trying to take off the bed from the truck so we can go ahead and sand behind the cab, guys. You want to do a good job. So after removing all the wood and also the trim from the bed of the truck, I went ahead and got some help and got the fender off the truck. Bro, hurry up, I'm getting tired up here. Do it right. Alright guys, well that's gonna be the end of today's episode. I believe we went ahead and accomplished a lot and a lot of sanding, guys. Oh my god, my freaking lungs are full with dust and also my arms are dead from all those hours of sanding. But don't worry guys, on the next episode we're gonna be going ahead and laying down some primer, block sanding again, and also we're gonna be welding some rusty spots that have to be addressed, guys. Also guys, don't forget to go ahead and comment down below your color ideas for the truck. I'm open for suggestions. I want to see what's the best color that's gonna match this truck. But as always guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more future content, and I'll see you all next time.